Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this second session, we are going to create app services in Azure portal. Let's get started. Open your Chrome and log in into portal.azure.com. I have logged in and click on app services. Click on create app. Select your subscription and create a new resource group. I am creating test group. Click on OK. The application name is my first application 01. It's already taken 001. Yeah, so need to copy and then publish code is code and runtime stack is I'm taking maybe a long term standard 3.1 and location is central US and creating a service plan also. Create new service plan hyphen svc plan plan. Click on if I'm not changing any SKU and sizes also. Click on review create. So I'm clicking on create. Now it is validating in create. See the notification tab, initializing deployments. Now submitting the deployment. When submitting deployment is done, then it will deployment will start it to provision the web app portal. Now deployment is in progress. So you need to wait some time to create the remaining resources like service plan, template or components and registries. Each and everything will be created. Once deployment is success, we can access the app service which we have created. My first application 001. See, your deployment is complete. Now click on go to resource. My first application 001. This application you can see each and everything like browse, stop, restart, delete, refresh. And at the same time in essential tab you can see the resource group and then status is running, location is US, subscription and subscription ID. Tags I haven't provided. If I want to provide any tag like VM or like app service testing demo, you can give and click on save. Okay, now assigning at the same time this is the URL which we are going to access. Let's access. So it will show a demo app here. So okay, so and the remaining deployments and then deployment center is available to deploy from the different resources like uh, GitHub, Bitbucket. I can show you GitHub, Bitbucket, local Azure repos. These are all CI/CD and then manual pushes, external Git, OneDrive, Dropbox also you can use. Apart from that, you can see that service plans also you can see in service plan what is the service type service plan which we have created and which if we want to switch or change from one service plan to another service plan you can change from this tab also. See you can so this is our service plan. We can create a new service plan and switch over there also. At the same time we can increase our service plan also. See right now the service plan is standard S1. If you want to change the service plan you can change also like S2 S3 from the quotas. Apart from that, deployment tools, if we want to clone any application from different applications to this application we can clone it and see the console application and then the extensions also we can see it. Apart from that, we can have monitoring like alerts, metric, logs, and health of the application, how it is performing, how the memory is being utilizing everything. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is the session for application service creation. In the next session, we are going to create a build an application and deploy this app service. Okay, thanks for watching.